Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I have another unboxing video. I am not that excited to be doing this video, but I have no choice because of my current situation, but still I'm buying it because I really need it. So guys, this is what I'm talking about, and let me quickly do the unboxing. So this is my new camera guys, and this is the Canon 200D Mark II, and it comes with a kit lens of 18 to 55 millimeter. So let's see what else are inside this box. So this one is a user guide who really need this. This is the warranty card. So first thing first is this battery. Next, this is the charger, I think so. I think this is the kit lens. Smells so bad. So this is the kit lens, and it has an off and on stabilizer. That means if you want more more stable footage, so you need to on this stabilizer here. This is the image stabilizer lens. I think this is an all-in-one lens. You can shoot photo and video. So that is the lens. This is the battery charger, and here comes the camera itself. So this is the camera itself. Oh, there is a strap also here, which is cool. So this is a strap here. You can just hang in your camera if you want. So it's very light. So this is the Canon EOS 200D Mark II. So here are the different display mode, video mode, and camera mode. Everything is here. And yeah, so let's see what is here. So this is the microphone input, that you can use external microphone and you can plug in here. On the other side we have the USB data input, like for transferring your data now. Next we have the flip screen at the back. Yeah, so you can move it around where you want to. It's suitable for vlogging and all. Let me just try to switch it on. Battery is shut down. There is no memory card, which I have to order separately. So that's it about this camera. So what I'll do next is to take some footage from this camera. So this is a DSLR camera. I'm not a fan of DSLR. I prefer mirrorless camera, but it's light and you can carry it anyway. This is only 51,000 together with this lens. Guys, that's it for now. So see you guys.